Croatian electric sports car builder Rimac Automobili expanded tenfold in the last decade into one of the world's leading high-performance automakers. Mate Rimac's company began as a maker of advanced electric technology, including battery packs and electric drivetrain, which revolutionized the sport. Rimac's Nevera carried its otherworldly acceleration into international markets and set records for hypercar class. But behind the tech is the success of the company through its mergers and partnerships, the first of which was its purchase of Bugatti, that legendary French hypercar manufacturer. In 2021, Rimac and Bugatti established a historic alliance named Bugatti-Rimac, with the Croatian company holding 55% of the alliance and parent Porsche the remaining 45%. This alliance combined Rimac's expertise in electric powertrains with Bugatti's rich history of producing some of the world's most powerful and exclusive hypercars. The collaboration was expected to bring forth a new era of hypercar development, blending Rimac's electric prowess with Bugatti's legacy of performance and luxury. Though, there are reports that the cooperation in the Bugatti-Rimac company can be on the edge of a monolith revolution. There are reports that Rimac made an initial offer to purchase Porsche's 45% ownership in the company. Reveal without breaching terms of an offer, despite the move being kept as Rimac's wager so that it may enjoy ownership over Bugatti and determine its future. By the takeover, if at all, Bugatti will be wholly owned by Rimac and enjoy the liberty of writing for itself a new fate for the marque, free of any steps constrictive from Porsche. Rimac's complete ownership of Bugatti is significant in many ways. First, it would put Rimac's mandate on creating next-generation Bugatti cars, and this could result in a change in the company's design philosophy and technological direction. Given Rimac is an expert in electric car technology, there are strong chances that next-generation Bugatti cars could be electric and not employ the traditional internal combustion engines. This could involve integrating Rimac's advanced battery systems and electric motors, similar to the ones found in the Rimac Nevera, into Bugatti's upcoming hypercars, potentially ushering in a new era of electric hyper-performance. Furthermore, Rimac's move into the car business has been supported by a string of strategic investments. Rimac in 2022 secured €500 million of capital with backing from prominent investors such as Goldman Sachs Asset Management and SoftBank Vision Fund II. The investments have helped Rimac to continue to push its technology forward and expand its presence, and the company is now an even more formidable presence in the electric vehicle space. Porsche's ultimatum to withdraw from the Bugatti-Rimac joint venture is the newest German automobile firm misstep. The electric car business has been busier with more players in the automobile business elbowing each other for space in the lucrative business. Porsche also witnessed its electric car sales decelerate, particularly in China, which has been the firm's ray of light. Apart from the occasional supply chain issue, the opportunity window for Porsche to prioritize Bugatti-Rimac is also closing, and its purported desire, therefore, to sell its stake in the venture is well understood. Rimac's interest in owning Bugatti outright is also motivated by a desire to further entrench its leadership in electric vehicles. With Bugatti takeover, the holding owned by Porsche, Rimac would take over the Bugatti brand, which would appear to trigger innovation in the production of next-generation hypercars that could start setting performance, sustainability, and innovation benchmarks. Electrification for subsequent models of Bugatti cars could then signal the end of internal combustion engines for such high-performance use. Moreover, Rimac's potential buyout of Porsche's stake in Bugatti-Rimac could reshape the luxury and hypercar market as a whole. Bugatti's reputation for producing some of the most exclusive and expensive cars in the world would remain intact, but under Rimac's leadership, the brand could embrace cutting-edge electric technologies that would set it apart from its competitors. This would also make Rimac a luxury electric car player, and Bugatti would be a good starting point for expanding from. Even though Rimac has yet to officially announce anything publicly about the negotiations or the bid to buy out Porsche's stake, that this option of buying out is on the table indicates that the company is serious and ready to continue extending the boundaries of what is possible with electric cars. Since negotiations are ongoing, The car universe will be watching how a future change of hands would impact the future of Bugatti and Rimac's growing dominance as a global electric performance home. Such a future change in the Bugatti-Rimac equation also mirrors a bigger trend in the automotive world, since electric vehicle manufacturers are now buying high-performance heritage luxury brands. The arrival of the electric hypercars, led by the likes of Rimac, Tesla, and others, is forcing the reluctant traditional manufacturers into re-engineering in the new shape. As it expands and leads the electric hyper-performance revolution further, Rimac can usher in fresh benchmarks to the company, and the upcoming buyout agreement to sign for Porsche's interest in Bugatti would be a Goliath step in that direction.